Then now, so we are going to first of all plot. We are going to first of all plot the y is equals to x square graph. So here in the y is equals to x square graph, the ordered pairs are of -3, 9, -2, 4, and similarly and so on. So here, and in the next case, so -3, -11, the highest is of positive is of 7. So here negative is of -11 on the y axis. Then now, say in this graph, so here we are going to say here this is the y axis, so we are going to write it as y and this as y dash. Since this is of x axis, x dash. Then now, so this is the origin, because this is the point where the y axis and the x axis are intersecting. Then now it will be of, let us take it as the 0, then this has positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and as well as 9 here. Then towards the left hand side, this will be of -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and this is of -9. Similarly, on the y axis, say towards downwards, so here they are of negative values. So here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and this will be of -7. And towards up, so this will be of positive 1, then this will be of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this will be of 7. Then now plotting, so here while plotting, so here first of all we are going to plot the y is equals to x square graph. Since y is equals to x square graph, the ordered pairs are of -3, 9, -2, 4 are the first two ordered pairs, -3, 9, -2, 4. So -3 on x axis and 9 on y axis, so here it is invisible, so here we can avoid that -3, 9. Then now -2, next will be of -2, 4, -1, 1, then 0, 0, -2, 4, 1, -1, 1. So -2, 4 is of here. Then now -1, 1 is of here. Then 0, 0 is of here. Then the towards the right hand side they are of 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. So here 1 on x axis positive 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9 is invisible. So here first of all we are going to join all these by means of by hand or the curve. So you will be getting it as and when we prolong, so here we will be getting in this manner. So this will be the curve of y is equals to x square. So here, so this is the curve of y is equals to x square. Then later, so here in the next case we are going to plot the graph of x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So here -3, -11 we can avoid this. So here -2, -8 is also, -8 is not available in the graph, so here we can avoid these two. Then now here -1, -5, -1, -5 is here, -1, -5, and the next one is of 0, -2 and then 1, 1, 0, -2, 0, -2, and then 1, 1. So here 1, 1. So here the same point Then now 2 comma 4, 3 comma 7 are the next two ordered pairs. 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 7. So here in this manner, so you will be getting a straight line. The straight line is off. So here this straight line is prolonged on either side. So here this straight line, so equation to the straight line is of y equals to three x minus 2. Then now say here from here it is intersecting at 2 points. From there I am going to drop perpendicular lines. Say therefore the solutions are of, so one is 1, the other is of 2. Say here the ordered pair is of, so here the solution set will be of 1 comma 2. So is the solution set. So here now let us verify by finding the roots of the quadratic equation, whether the solution set is of 1 comma 2 or not. So here the verification. The given quadratic equation is of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Then now, so here let us solve say this quadratic equation by the cross method. X square can be written as x into x. Then now 2 can be splitted as, so here 2 can be split as 2 into 1. So here 2 ones is of 2. So here we need minus 3x as the middle term. So here this is of 2x, then this is of 1x. So here we need minus 3x. So greater must be attached minus sign. So here when we attach plus sign here, minus of plus will be of minus. When we subtract 2 minus 1 will be of minus 1. So here we need 3 as the coefficient. So it must be of minus sign. Then we will be getting minus 2x and minus 1x. Minus into minus is of plus. So we have to add up 2 plus 1 is of 3x. 2 is greater than 1. 2 sign is of minus. So we will be getting minus 3x in this manner. So now let us cross multiply. So 2 into x will be of 2x, then 1 into x will be of 1x. Then now to assess the sign here, we need minus 2 is of negative and 1 is also of negative. Therefore, it must be of negative and negative. So that implies minus into minus is of plus. Let us add up 2 plus 1 is of 3x. So here 2 is greater than 1, 2 sign is of negative, it assesses the sign of negative. So minus 3x is the middle term. So therefore, both must be assessed as the negative sign. X into 2 is 2x. 2x is assessed as the negative sign. 1x. 1 into x as 1x, so is assessed minus sign. Therefore, while writing the factors, so that implies first factor is of, so here the given equation x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0 implies first factor is of x minus 2 and the second factor is of x minus 1. We have to write horizontally, so here both must be equated to 0. So here either the first one, that is x minus 2 must be equated to 0 or x minus 1 must be equated to 0. Then now, so that implies, so x equals to, when minus 2 is transposed over to the right hand side it will become plus 2, or so x equals to, when minus 1 is transposed over to the right hand side it will become plus 1. So in this manner we got the solution set as (2, 1), or in other words 1, 2.